This video is sponsored by, nah, just playing. We got another unboxing, and by the, I guess thumbnail of the video, you already know, we got them Pumas, them Ralph Sampsons, H-Town Rockets. So, let's get into it. So, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna unbox and review one at a time. Alright, so the reason I'm unboxing this video, probably about way over a year after their release, is because I like the way it look. I'm from Houston. The dude that wore these kicks was a Houston Rocket, and the main reason is because now these shoes are under 50 bucks on Puma's website, so that's what made me want to grab them. I don't review every single shoe I buy, but for some reason I just wanted to put these on there on video so you guys could know that, hey, these are under 50 bucks right now. Go and grab them. Matter of fact, I bought two pairs. They were both under $50 a piece. So I just went and grabbed both of them, free shipping. So, man, you can't beat that, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. Let's open it up. Let's see how well Puma packaged my stuff, because sometimes I get some boxes that are a bit crushed. And me, I already told y'all before, I'll keep saying it, I'm big on the boxes. My boxes gotta be A1. You know what I mean? Here go my packing slip. I already see my packing slip. Alright, bet. Let me move this out the way. Matter of fact, I'll tell you how much they were a piece. They were $40.49. And with the taxes, they still came out to be under 50 bucks. And free shipping. That's the best part. So look, check this out. Here we go. We got two boxes. Man, you know what? I'm not even gonna try and read which is which. I'm gonna just grab this one on top, whichever one it is. That's what we're gonna start with. You know what I'm saying? So let's see which one it is. I ain't even gonna read the label. I'll show you the label, but I ain't gonna look at it. Whatever that say, it's what it is. The box is in good condition, and these are, bam. These are the main ones I wanted. So, oh yeah, now I see what people talking about on the leather, like so soft. Man, look at these kicks, man. They fresh. I ain't gonna lie to you, they more fresh in person than what they are in all these unboxing videos. You gotta grab you a pair, man. Under 50 bucks, man. You go eat at Burger King with a friend, and that's already 50 bucks. So come on, just grab you one of these, man. These probably ain't gonna be around for a long time, and you could say you got you a pair for under 50 bucks. So again, let's start taking a look at little small details. First thing we're gonna see is the gold Puma. The gold Puma text logo here. And then you got, on the ankle support, you got Ralph Sampson, famous signature. You got the Puma in the back, the Puma logo, the Puma cat. And you got their vector right here, their infamous vector. Puma on the tongue, then you got some numbers right here. We'll take a look, see if both tongues say the same exact numbers. It's 90644W, P7841. I don't know if it's the model. Right now we'll take a look at that. We'll look at the box, see that's the model. I'll take a look at my invoice as well. Alright, so bottom is just plain. You know what I mean? The bottom ain't even gotta have none on it, because who's gonna see the bottom? So you got Puma right here. It says Puma Shock Wedge, and they got the cat right down the side. So that's that. Let's take a look at the inside. So on the inside, all you see is a shock wedge. I'm gonna have to get you a better shot of that because it's so dark in here. But you get the idea, man. These are it. These are live, super live. I'll try and do a little bit of on feet. All I'm wearing right now is some rugged jeans, but I'll still do it though. I ain't tripping. I'll show you guys what they look like on feet, but I'll do it after we take a look at the other one. So that's that one. I told you we were gonna look at the tongue. See if the tongue say the same exact thing. This one is say 90644W, P7841. So it is the same exact number. And is this number from the box? So I don't know what that number is. It ain't on the box. I don't know what that means. Somebody know what that means? Put it in the comment down below. School us right quick. I ain't even gonna put them in the box yet because I'm gonna do the on feet. So to put these like that, we're gonna put these aside right quick. Alright, here go the second ones. So grab this. Take the box out of here. Alright, so now I can look at this one because I already know which one this one is. So you see, this here is supposed to be the OG, you know what I'm saying, the red and white Houston Rocket colorway. But there's one thing that from looking at the pictures, I could see that this one does not have, and it's very, very obvious. Oh yeah. Man, these is all so fresh. I like the other ones better though, not gonna lie. These are the OGs. These supposed to be the OGs, but I like the other ones better. Alright, so what this one's missing from the ones Ralph Sampson wore is the only thing I could pick up. Maybe you guys know a little bit more. Check this out. Is the ankle strap. So on Ralph Sampson's kicks, he had the ankle strap. I know there's other Puma kicks. I don't know the names of those models, but there's some Puma kicks that look very similar to these, and they have the ankle strap. I don't know if I could remove it from them and put it on these, or if they're stitched in where I can't move them. I don't know. Everything else is the same on this one. I don't know if it has the same number. Matter of fact, yeah, it is the same number. It got the same exact number on the tongue, but in gold stitching, gold lettering, my fault. So you got the Puma on the tongue. Everything is the same, I guess. Less color though. This one only got 2 colors, white and red. The other one had white, blue, and gray. So this one also say the same thing on the inside. It just say Shockwave in red letters. I mean, there isn't much to review on these shoes after I done showed you the first one, because everything else is identical, just different color. And these are just fresh, but these ain't gonna be fresh for a while. I'm gonna tell you why. Now I seen an unboxing of this. The guy, he was unboxing the Def Jam or the Public Enemy Pumas, and they're similar to these. Those have a red ankle strap, and they have like a red toe box. And the dude pointed something out that made a lot of sense to me. And he said that those shoes would look even better as time passed by, as he beat them up. And I was like, what you mean? Like in my head, I was like, what this dude talking about? And the dude said that he wanted them to look like beaters. And I was like, man, you know what? You're so right. Like, I could see what he's talking about. So I ain't even gonna put no toe guard on these. I'm using with no toe guard. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna get rugged and raw with them. I'm gonna try to hold them out as much as I can. I'm gonna try to make these look like beaters. Not the other ones, not the white and blue ones, but these, the red ones. You know what I'm saying? Like, these, if I do that to these, for some reason, it's like, these are nice kicks, but if once you beat these up, for some reason, to me, they ain't gonna look like beaters. They're just gonna look like some hold out shoes. But these, I don't know, it's just something about these old school red and white high top kicks that they look nice, beat up, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna beat these up too, just like dude said. He said the first thing he was gonna do was wash his car in them. So I'm finna do the same thing. I'm finna go wash my car in these. No toe box, no nothing. I'm gonna put some creases on them. I ain't gonna lie to you. These is gonna be my beaters, man. I like these. I like these, but like I said, these here, this is where it's at. I ain't gonna beat these up. I'm gonna put the toe shield and everything and take care of these all the time. I ain't gonna lie to you. But the red ones, yes sir. Gonna do a little small on feet right quick. Last time I tried my kicks out with I think 5 different pants or something like that, even shorts. Right now I'm only wearing some hold out jeans right now, but I think that's what these will look good with, some washed denim. You know what I mean? That's what these will look good. So I'll give you a on feet of both of them with some rugged jeans I'm wearing right now. But I ain't even doing no tripping. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna give it to y'all rough, rugged, and raw. 3 R's, rough, rugged, and raw. So here we go.